What does it mean to be human? Growing up, we learn from teachers at school and play with friends. Is it possible to foster social cohesion in a digital playground? How can you share a virtual hug, enjoy culture, spread knowledge? 30% of the global population is experiencing some form of lockdown. Millions are struggling with anxiety, depression, and loneliness. The key? An interactive bridge connecting humans. Enter GoLive, virtual playground for streaming without borders. Our mission is to curate immersive experiences and empower creators around the world. A live stage, opening up connections previously unimaginable. Go live and let your dreams play. Stream into content you care about. Play games and earn rewards. Love with your wallet. Support creators designing unique entertainment. The use of Flutter apps can save time, effort, and its remarkable rapid deployment makes it easily integratable with other frameworks. A single code base means a single version of the application that runs for both iOS and Android platforms. The Dart programming language supports notable features like garbage collection, a rich standard library, strong typing, generics, and async awaits. Everything we design is a widget and is blended to make the UI look seamless. Also, the app design and maintenance is easier and integration with open source packages is a smooth experience. We also incorporated Agora.io for streaming. Agora.io is sensible to all users and is compatible with all popular development platforms and mobile device friendly, with minimal battery consumption. Its intelligence network monitors activity in real time and actively selects the most efficient routing path for sub-second latency globally across many data centers. So why IPFS? IPFS is very powerful when coupled with the blockchain because it keeps simplicity of data that is required, but we also get to enjoy the file storage and decentralized peer-to-peer properties. It's the best of both worlds. Since we also added security with asymmetric encryption, we have a very elegant way of storing, encrypting, and sharing large data and files on the blockchain. Being part of the cloud storage network, decentralized cloud storage offers users the ability to access data remotely. Being on the decentralized network means the centralized network no longer holds the control over everything. Instead, every node performs decisions independently. Since the data is encrypted end-to-end, it ensures the privacy of the user's data. The decentralized platforms provide encryption keys to the users, thus eliminating the third-party roles. Due to the multi-server available for downloads, the bandwidth are very high in a decentralized cloud storage. IPSF for our live streaming library means we don't need to push the content to every user. All you have to do is push the content to the IPFS gateways. Anyone who wants the content can pick it up from there. IPFS gateways catches the content locally, so more number of gateways, more content sources. IPFS provides persistent storage to those live stream content so that if someone misses a live streaming, they can always come back to find a saved copy. The network automatically deletes and tracks version history. With our interface, we also allow users to schedule the content for live streaming and broadcasting. Users can record the media and automate the system to stream that media on the given time for the specific duration. IPFS resolves congestion. Instead of locations, IPFS addresses point directly to the resources and makes sure that the data comes from the closest sources. To summarize, with the help of IPFS, we want to reduce mammoth amounts of bandwidth used by the current and traditional streaming technologies and provide a persistent content storage, better quality streaming. Also, we want to avoid keeping the transferring so many copies of content over the internet and instead start addressing the media by its content. This IPFS-based streaming system will also allow us to reduce the unwanted censorship of content and automate the streaming process whenever necessary to make it easier for everyone. Who's next? Approximately 1.7 billion people in the world are unbanked with no identity, passports, or digital money. However, anyone with access to a computer or smartphone could plug into Go Live and access digital value. Access to passive income can have a profound impact. With tools like IPFS, we build a marketplace where Kento, Bell, and millions more can set up and start earning in seconds. There are approximately 2 billion computers, 100 billion game consoles, and 2.7 billion smartphones in the world, half of the time sitting idle or turned off. Go Live is more than just a streaming portal. It's an ecosystem of sustainability. Sharing our culture is what makes us human. Earning a living frees our potential. Jump into Go Live virtual playground and start streaming today.